Alright, Assembly Dojo. Technique 10, Rocket Launch. Make your rocket launch when the countdown reaches 0. Or you can also set the moment it finishes playing as a trigger. However, this can only be used when you have set the art to play once. Remember you can't use this trigger if it art is set to loop or hold. And not to beat this topic into the ground on anything, but instead of trigger for when the specific art has finished playing. You have to first set an trigger to identify which art that uses an ended act that finishes playing trigger.